Good evening to all. My name is Umar Sonapekua and this is my teammate Hillel Thongkima. And this is our model name, Digital India, Class 9. Model of Digital of India Vision Bharat 2047. This model is based on Sunday, aligning with long-term national globals.
Digital infrastructure universal project Bharat 2.0.
5G and future 6G will come from all digital individual from every citizen and HAN 2.0 servers data central and wait for government service and demand. All government service and available anytime, anywhere through one digital platform. Digital life center all citizens left offline. Digital